Hi, for this tutorial we're going to take a look at where to find pictures for your blog. Now, if you go into your media on your dashboard, you will already have a library usually, and some of them, but we need to add more pictures. So there are a few ways to do it. The first thing that you can do is go to Google Images or images.google.com, and let's say that you want to find pictures of coffee. In fact, let's make it even a little bit more exact and put coffee cup. As you can see, there are all kinds of different pictures on here that you can use for your site, but there are a few things that you want to be careful for. For instance, on this one, if you look closely, you can see this is from an illustration company and there's a watermark across the picture. That means that this is copyrighted and they don't want you to use this picture without buying it from them. But there are plenty of shots that you can get that are free. Now let's say I want to use this one. I'm going to go back into WordPress, I'm going to pull up one of my pages, and I'm going to put this on my home page. And when I go into Visual, I'm going to hit enter a few times, and I'm going to click on Upload and Insert. Now you can do this from a computer, where you can do a select file in your folders. We've already looked at how to do that, to pull pictures off your computer. You can do it from a URL, which is from another web page, or you can do it from your media library. And these are ones that you already have on there. I'm going to go ahead and pull this from a URL, and one of the reasons to do it this way is it already exists somewhere online, which means that it's taking up space on somebody else's server. WordPress only allows you to have a certain amount of space in your WordPress page for pictures and media and things like that. So to get the URL, I'm going to click back in my image result, and I'm going to right click, I'm going to click Copy Image Location, I'm going to go back into my WordPress page, and then I'm going to right click and hit paste. And this is an image, but if it's an audio, video, or other file, you can put that in there too. And I need to have a title. So I'm going to put coffee cup. Alternate text, and I can also do an image caption. Then I can choose to align it left, center, or right, or not do any alignment at all. And I can even go ahead and link the image to another page. So let's say I want to go to the website for this image. I'm going to right click its address, and I'm going to left click and paste that in there. And I'm going to click on Insert into Post. Now you can take this image, of course, and you can shrink it down. And you can see I've got my caption right underneath it, and I'm going to click on Preview Changes, and here's my picture. Now because I put that link to that page on there, when I run my mouse over it, it pulls up a hand, which means it's going to lead me to a page. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to take me to another page. Now if I want to make any other changes to it, I can go ahead and click it, click the little picture, and I can choose, for instance, to go to my advanced settings and open any new pages that it opens in a new window, which means that they'll still have my own page up, but they'll open the other picture in addition. So again, I'm going to click Preview Changes. I'm going to click WordPress Tutorial Hub. I'm going to click on my coffee mug, and there it pops up in its own page. So that's how we go ahead and we find new images. So this was an easy tutorial, but I hope it helped you out. That's how you can find pictures to put on your WordPress page. Just make sure that they're not copyrighted and that you have permission to use them. So thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.